Okay, Barrett Academy teachers, so this is just a quick rundown of how to set up your class under our Barrett Academy Class Dojo page. So first, here is the important information that you need to write down somewhere. You're going to be using this username and password to access Class Dojo all the time. So our username is actually kwbesacademy@gmail.com, which is right here. And our password is we believe, no spaces, no capital letters. Okay, so write that down. You might want to pause the video. Now I'm going to take you over to Class Dojo. So if you go to classdojo.com, once again, our email is kwbesacademy@gmail.com, and our password is we believe, and then you're going to hit login as a teacher. And as soon as it gets us in, you're going to find this page. Now what I've done is I've set us up by grade level. So first grade is at the top. It's going to say first grade, Mrs. Connolly, first grade, Mrs. Dozer, and then you're going to scroll the whole way down and find fifth grade. Second, third, fourth in the middle. And I chose the same icon for each grade level to kind of help us to distinguish where our class is, and Kim and Brian to see what grade level we're in. So it's going to help with organization a little bit. So if you go to your class, I'm going to show you how to enter students. What you're going to do is simply click on your class. So I came down to fifth grade, chose Mr. Reichert. Here we are. This is the page you're going to see when you first get into your Class Dojo account, and you're going to want to click on Add Students. Now, there are two ways that you guys can add students. Number one, you can choose to enter names right here in this slot. So I can choose, say that Dan Reichert is going into my classroom, and you can hit enter. Okay, then Dan Reichert will show up right here. Okay, now I'm going to remove that, and you can do that individually, one person at a time. Now I have a way that may save you a little bit of time. I know it's my personal preference. I just went on to Synergy, actually was able to download the classroom list, and here we are. And all I'm going to do is copy and paste this entire list at the very same time. So I copy and pasted the entire list, okay? Now I'm going to take that, and if you look right here, it says copy and paste from a list. I'm going to click on that, and in this spot, I'm going to paste that list. Now you don't have to do anything with it. Notice right now that my kids' last names are first, comma, first name. You're going to click Add Students, and this is going to be like magic, guys. Right there. All of my kids are in my class now, and they've switched around the names so that the first name is first, and then you have the last name. Now it gives each person a character, and a lesson we kind of learned from last year is you can change the kids' avatars, which are these little guys, but as soon as they get their login information, they're going to be able to do that on their very own. So it really was a waste of time for us to change their avatar. And then you're going to want to come down here, click Save and Close. You can download parent invitation codes. You might not want to do that yet. That's going to be something that we hand out on Thursday night, next Thursday night at the back to school night. So we'll be able to get on here and do that. So I'm going to hit not right now at the moment. Okay, and then I can actually, I think my internet's going a little slowly. My classroom is going to show up here, or at least it should. And yes, here it is right here. And you can actually find, and these are things that I know especially first and second grade you guys are going to be talking about for the behaviors. If I click on a student, I'm going to be able to find those behaviors that we talked about during our last meeting. So the big thing today is uploading class lists, or you can simply type in every student. If you guys need anything, you can come down and see me. You can send me an email, and I'll be more than willing to help you to upload your list at any time.